Does your bedroom feel messy even when it is perfectly clean? The problem isn't the room, the problem is the wardrobe. Most people design storage based on habit, not architecture. Today, I will show you the 5 biggest wardrobe mistakes that make your home look cheap and exactly how an architect fixes them. Let's fix your space. Mistake number 1, the sagging door. We often see tall, heavy doors made of single panels. Over time, gravity pulls them down, causing them to sag and lose alignment. It looks terrible and cheap. The fix: structural integrity. Use aluminum frame glass doors which never warp. Or, if you prefer wood, install a tensioner rod behind the panel. Pro tip: for any door taller than 2.4 meters, never use standard 18 millimeter thickness. Go for 25 millimeter or reinforced frames. Number 2, the sliding door conflict. Nothing is more frustrating than a drawer you can't fully open because it hits the sliding mechanism. This is a classic planning disaster that usually happens with standard factory cabinets. The fix: align the internal layout with the door overlap zones. Pro tip: always create a dead zone plan. Measure the width of your sliding door frame and ensure no pull-out mechanism is placed within that 5 centimeter danger zone. Number 3, the black hole. Relying on a single ceiling bulb creates deep shadows. If you can't see your clothes, you won't wear them. Dark closets feel smaller and messier than they actually are. The fix: vertical integration. Install recessed LED channels in the side panels of every section. Pro tip: pay attention to color temperature. In kitchens, we use 4000 Kelvin for focus, but in the bedroom, always specify 3000 Kelvin warm white. Anything cooler will make your relaxing space feel like a hospital. Number 4, the shoe graveyard. Piling expensive shoes on the floor ruins their shape and blocks ventilation. It turns your luxury closet into a storage unit. The fix: display, don't just store. Use angled shelves or pull-out racks. Pro tip: leave at least 25 centimeters of height for heels and boots, and ensure ventilation holes at the back to prevent odor buildup. And finally, number 5, single rail waste. Installing one rail at 1.7 meters high leaves massive dead space at the bottom. The fix: double hang system. Place 2 rails, one above the other. Pro tip: here is the magic number: 105 centimeters. That is the ideal vertical space for shirts and jackets. 2 rails at 105 centimeters gives you double the capacity in the same footprint. Design is in the details. Stop settling for standard. Start demanding architectural quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design secrets. See you in the next video.